So today we are going to continue the chapter Module-1 Lektion-3, that is Hast Du Geshwister. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your German Academy. This is the channel where you can learn German easily and with fun. Currently, we are taking the reference from the book that is HALLO DEUTSCH. But if you don't have books, still you can learn with us because this is class 6 German and this is basics of German. Right now, we are doing the chapter Module-1 Lektion-3, Module-1 Lesson-3, and the chapter name is Hast Du Geshwister, that means do you have siblings? And this is the 6th introduction video of this chapter. In this video, we are going to learn some grammar. So now let's get started.
The verb haben, which means to have. So now we will tell you the conjugation of the verb haben.
Pronouns. Ich, that means I.
The conjugation of ich is habe.
And the meaning of ich habe is I have.
Du, that means you.
The conjugation which will be used with du would be hast.
Du hast, which means you have.
Sie, es, that means he, she, it.
The conjugation with sie, would be hat.
The meaning of es hat is he, she, it has.
For the pronoun wir, that means we.
With wir, the conjugation would be haben.
The meaning of wir haben will be we have.
That means you all.
The conjugation with ihr is habt.
Ihr habt is you all have.
Sie, one with a capital S and one with a small s. The meaning of the capital S, Z, is you in formal way, and the small s, Z, the meaning is they.
So for both the z, the conjugation is haben.
Sie haben. The capital S is for you in formal and the small s for they, and they together make you or they have. Nominative possessive pronomen. That means nominative possessive pronouns. Pronouns. Ich, that means I.
So the masculine possessive pronoun for ich would be mine, which means my.
And the feminine possessive pronoun for ich will be meiner, that means mine.
Du, which means you.
The masculine nominative possessive pronoun for du is dein, which means your.
The feminine nominative possessive pronoun for du is deiner, that means your.
ZZ. The capital S is used for you in formal and the small s is used for they.
So the nominative masculine possessive pronoun for both the z is ihr, which means your in a formal way or their. So it means your when we use it with the capital SZ and there when we use it with the small sz.
And the feminine possessive pronoun for both the Z will be ihre. That means your in formal way if you use the C with the capital S, and there if you use the small s.
Don't be confused with ihr. Ihr is a personal pronoun meaning you all, and also a possessive pronoun meaning your in a formal way or their for masculine nouns. Bonus time! Ships of Germany. How many ships did Germany have in World War II? German shipyards had difficulty producing the ships ordered by Hitler, and on the outbreak of the Second World War, the German Navy had only 2 battleships, 2 battle cruisers, 3 armored cruisers, 3 heavy cruisers, 6 light cruisers, 22 destroyers, and 59 submarines.
So thank you. That's all for today. We hope you're understanding everything. If not, then comment your doubts. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post our videos. This is German Academy.
We wish you a Happy New Year in advance!
Wish later. See you later.